Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing a live HTTPS origin and adding a minimal manifest so browsers recognize your app. Once done, register a service worker in your main Java script immediately so caching can start. Make sure the manifest includes icons, start URL, display standalone, and a sensible scope. While you code, open DevTools application panel to watch installability checks so you catch missing fields early. This direct start saves time and forces the first actionable features into place, rather than delaying to later. Next, implement the offline experience and app shell using the service worker lifecycle. During install, cache your shell assets and critical routes, then during fetch choose network first for dynamic data and cache first for static resources. This balances freshness versus reliability. Once caching is active, provide explicit offline fallbacks like an offline HTML and placeholder images so the UI degrades gracefully. Also add an update flow. Listen for new service worker states and notify the user to refresh so they get the latest. Finally, polish user experience. Enable background sync for retries, add push notifications sensibly, and support add to home screen with a clear prompt. Once finished, run Lighthouse and manual install tests in multiple browsers and devices to validate behavior. If something goes wrong, inspect DevTools application for service worker scope, console errors, and ensure manifest served with correct JSON MIME type. Also confirm page is HTTPS and icons meet size and purpose requirements. This final validation prevents common install and run.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.